Guys, quick one. We finished the plumbing. Just the vents are left now, the condensate, and hooking up our circulators in this boiler room. And this one boiler is done. We'll do this one when we have time. Right now, we're just concentrating on the place upstairs to get heat, hot water. That's how that superstore ended up piping in, and that's all done. Sweated off, connected up. There's your mixing valve. There is your expansion tank. Cold water shut off. And then that just connects up to PEX up there. Of course, this pipe here is temporary. This thing you see in the back, that's coming out of there. That's where the old bathroom drain was. That comes right out of there. Alright guys, that's just the final showing you how that ends up looking. There's all your plumbing. Just a little bit of wiring and then condensate drain. And we're going to fill it. Alright, that's it guys.